Daisy. 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 Everyone, Daisy got cucumber from me. I just climb up the tree and give her. She's not come down. This is not easy for me. I just climb the tree and take the video of Daisy for you guys watching. Daisy. I love when I call her name and she look at me. Finish. Oh, still one more in her hand. I saw this finish. Wow, look at Daisy. She's not come down, everyone, so I just climb the tree and take her the video. Because you guys watching want to watch Daisy. How is Daisy doing? How is Daisy now? So I'm trying really hard to find her. I hope you guys like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it.